Hello friends, kamusta? So here's one of the activities during the second day of 𝐸ny:he Adventist Church Family Camp. Probably you knew that the campers were divided into 3 units if you had watched the previous videos. This was actually a contest of who would be the first to cook and present the different egg recipes. Others might have experienced this since elementary years. A few have experienced this a few times, but there's also a few who experienced this for the first time. This only shows that this is such an interesting activity because until now, they're enjoying Camp Cookery. Hello, good afternoon. We're now having our Camp Cookery.
So they're going to cook boiled egg, fried egg, and barbecue egg, as well as cut bread.
Wala ka tayo naluto, kaya wala ka tayo stick.
Lingkod lang, makapoy ka.
Pana, nagputi na mo. Nagputi na.
Okay, perminti man milas pod.
Depende sa stick, gibutangan. Naminaw ko sila ha. Utoy na inaluto. Depende sa stick. Damay mga stick.
Hala. Hoy, hala. Nasakpan.
Our activity is all about heaven or hell. Heaven. You have 1 minute to decide, huh? 1 minute left to decide. The heaven is no. 1 second. You have to decide. The heaven is.
You stay here.
1. No. 1 second. Ready? Go. 1 second. No.
God is good all the time.